How to mention someone on Instagram story. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go on the story options up above. And then you have to select the thing that you want to put on your story. Let's say I am putting this on my story. As I put this on my story, then I have to click next. Before clicking next, I have to go on the stickers options, and over here I will have the options of mention. Now I can mention anybody that I want. Let's say I am mentioning this person. Now I will have the options of my friend requests, the people that are in my follow or following requests that I can mention. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.